Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Trump Farm Airdrop. How to mine Trump Farm Airdrop, the new alpha airdrop built on this stone. You cannot afford to miss this project. You all know that Trump coin was listed a few days ago and is doing well for itself. So if you have not started this project, I will drop the link on the description box. Use that link and join. How are you going to play this Trump Farm? It's very simple. Over here you can see wallet here. Tap on it, allow it to load. You can now see here where we say connect wallet. Tap on this connect wallet, choose any wallet of your choice. I'm going for Tonkeeper. Connect is done. Here you can now see that my wallet is connected. Over here you can see withdrawal, deposit and withdrawal. This simply means that on this Trump Farm your activities can earn you tons which you can now withdraw. Now let's go back. Click on this play. How are you going to play it? Before we play, let's do the task. Click on this task section here. You have to do the tasks. We have the airdrop, the special, the daily, and the unit. So you have to do the tasks. As simple as that. Let's click on this special. You can now see subscribe to Telegram channel, subscribe to official Instagram, read news, subscribe to community, subscribe to Twitter, connect wallet. Okay, we have done connection of the wallet. Now click on this connect wallet. Let's claim the reward, which is 300,000. Now click on claim. Successful. Can you see that my balance has increased? Now I have started. I'm now a foreman. I have clothed Trump. Yes, he's no longer naked, he's now clothed. This thing, you have to use auto farming. You can use auto farming. Click on the auto farming. This auto farming, you can buy it for 39 star. You can buy it for 39 star or you use 0.1 to turn, but I'm not going to spend that. I will use my balance to purchase this one. I have 300k and this is 1 million. I can't buy it, but let me try. I can't buy it, insufficient. So this is how to upgrade your hour, that is the income in 12 hours. So you have to claim it. Then let's play. How are you going to play this? Click on the play here. So you are going to be smashing them. And each person you smash, you get 10 points. As simple as that. This is how you play it. Just by smashing them, you will get 10 points. Very simple. Some will smash, it will say -3 seconds. I don't have time again. So this is what I have. I have 76 rewards by smashing those people there. Now that is the next thing. Let's go back to the another thing that you need to know. Now they said Santa Trump. Open it to know if you can. You need to buy this Santa Trump to close Trump with Santa clothes. And this thing you can use, you can buy gloves, you can buy boots, you can buy cars, you can buy jackets, you can use 30 ton, 10 ton, 3 ton, 1 ton, underwater mask, cold glasses. These are what you can buy to clothe Santa son, to cloak Santa Trump. So anyone you choose to buy, you tap on it. Let me tap on the 200,000. Let me know if I can buy it. So I can buy now. Let me click on the gloves. I can't still buy, so because I don't have enough token. So this is simple way to go about it. I have not started auto farming because I need to perform some other tasks to have enough balance that I will use to buy the auto farming. And now I have not have any auto farming. This is not like a profit per hour. No, this one is auto farm. You can buy it with your money or you use your coin to buy it. This one will require 1 million and I don't have that for now. So this is simple way on how to go about this airdrop. If you find this video helpful, do well to like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys and see you guys in my next video, and the link will be there in the description of this post. You can also join my WhatsApp where I share updates and everything you need to know about airdrop.